Hello, son. This is what I said to you. 900 kilogram engine stand for 363. 363. And this one don't have a price. I think this is the engine lift. Alright. I'm going to ask the price of this. I think there's a hydraulic in here, right? That's the engine lift. There's no price, that one. What is this? What is sandblasting? What is sandblasting? So this one is Mecro Blue 20-liter oil drainer. Hello. How much for your is this engine lift?
The engine crane?
Crane, yeah. Compressor. Is this compressor for tiring as well? For putting to tire?
You would be able to use that to pump up tires, the same.
The same. And what else?
Could be used for pretty much anything you need an air tool for. The only limit would be maybe like spray painting or something like that.
Oh, that is spray painting. But you can still use for, as you said, for peeling tires.
For filling tires, yeah.
Yeah. So how much this crane?
I'm looking it up.
Okay. Alright. This one tools thing.
$402.
402.
Yeah, 402.
Okay, for engine crane.
Yeah.
And how many 1,000 kilogram the maximum?
Yeah.
Usually, how many kilogram the engine?
It varies a lot. Some of them I can lift up with one hand. Some of them you need a lot of weight.
So this one is hydraulic, right?
Yeah.
So means no need power and it just going to lift the engine.
All done by hand.
How much again?
402.
402.
Yeah.
Is that discounted already?
No. This one's just what it is.
So that's the normal price.
Yeah.
And what's this for? The
Press.
Yeah.
That's to press things in and out if you need like bearings or bushers or something like that, like suspension bushers
Suspension.
or wheel bearings, bits and pieces like that.
Yeah, suspension bushers. You mean to the car?
Mm.
So you're saying it will push where the car boot? No, separate.
No. So you have a control arm bush on your car. You pull the control arm bush off the car, put it in this, press it out, and then press a new one in.
And then you put into the car.
And you put it back into the car.
So that suspension so that the car will drive smooth, not bumpy, something like that. Is that the suspension work for?
Yes, the suspension is part of that system. You would need to know what you're doing to use this. This can be very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah. Well, I'm looking for my son because he just got his qualification. I'm thinking instead I'm going to spend servicing to the other, I can just get him.
This sort of stuff you would only buy if you're doing a lot of work from home.
Yeah. But more, I think first I have to get him this oil change.
Does he have a hoist?
Huh?
Does he have a hoist to lift the car up in the air?
It's got to be this far up in the air.
Really?
Yeah.
To use this?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, it's got to be at least this far, and it's got to bend under the wheel. So
Yeah.
the car, they're designed, that pipe comes up. When the
How
car-
about this?
Same.
Same?
This one.
How much the lift?
That's a sandblaster.
That's a blasting thing.
How much cost the lift?
A lift.
$5,000 plus installation.
1,000? 5,000.
Well,
That's
installed.
start.
Plus installation.
Then you need a garage that's 5 metres tall. Because the car's got to be on top.
Mhm.
So you need 5 metres of clearance.
Yeah, at least
And
5
you
meter
need-
tall.
The concrete's got to be this thick. That it bolts to.
Ah.
Because you've got to bolt it down. Otherwise it falls over.
Well, means this cannot be used if you have a truck lift, like you have 4 of truck
No,
lift.
no.
Oh, okay.
Because that's as far down as it goes.
Yeah.
So how is it going to the where the engine?
Yeah, it goes
Oil.
underneath the engine where you drain it.
So it means is this how this hose? Oh, this
That's
hose?
the handle. That's to empty it.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. How are you going to put
You
to
put
that
air
drain?
pressure into it.
Ah, drain to this.
It drains into that, goes into that. When that's full,
Uh-huh.
you then take it to a drum, put air pressure in it, and it pushes the oil into a drum there so you can dispose of it.
Okay, but it will drain to this. That's why it need the
Yeah,
height.
yeah.
I understand now. Well, anyway, he can just put a portable and then put in here for the purpose of storage, right?
You
If
can,
no
yeah,
leaf
but
yet.
You still have to be able to get it from this into another drum.
Ah.
If he's just at home,
Mm-hmm.
there's no point.
Well, you still need the place to what they call
Yeah.
to
Well-
store it, and then later on when he decide to get the shop, he
So
can use
do
it.
you have a big 100-litre tub? A big 100-litre drum?
Oh.
Because that's what they pick it up from. If he's just at home, he
Mhm.
should do what I do and what everyone.
Well, he have a contact that he can just drop the oil
Yeah.
to the
Most-
shop.
Most people that work from home just put it straight into an old container
Uh-huh.
and then drop it off to the recyclers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the most important is this. If even you're at home, if you have this, you can do some mechanical stuff, right? For this.
If he's pulling out engines,
Mhm.
yes, but I don't have one.
Oh,
mo-
are you mechanic too?
I am, but most people, you rarely change engines, especially at home.
Mm.
It's only if you blow them up.
Well, if they're young, if they want to explore of doing some project,
Yeah. So
You
if
don't
you're
have-
going to buy this, you want to buy this as well.
Oh yeah, for the hold, yeah. Because my dad, I've seen my dad that he made a
Yeah.
jeepney
Yeah.
from parts by parts, engine, and then he chassis,
Yeah.
and then he even cut for the body, weld it,
Yeah.
and smooth it and paint it. That's
Yeah.
my dad doing.
Yeah. Yeah. So it depends what he's going to do at home. If he's going to do just general service work, you don't need any of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, you don't know in the future he will need it, so at least he have something there.
Yeah.
And what's this for?
That's another thing to drain oil. Get it.
This one?
No, this one.
This one.
This one is to drain oil. It just passes it here and then you empty it elsewhere.
Yeah. And this one?
That one, I don't know what that is.
So this one is not for tires, no?
No.
No, yeah, for suspension. Okay. And this one
That's similar, just smaller.
of this?
Yeah.
Okay. For just for suspension or any that
Anything
need
that you need to press in and out.
press
It
in
could
and
be
out.
for pistons, it could be for suspension,
Oh.
it could be for anything that's pressed in.
Yeah, man's world.
Yeah.
Well, this one is just for washing.
Yeah, that's for washing.
But really, the most important, I heard from him,
Yeah.
crane. Mom about crane because the engine is heavy. I think he will need more the engine and engine crane and this stand.
Yeah. If he's going to be doing engine work, yes.
Well.